All right, guys, doing Barry Manilow today. I write the songs. And so forth. Hello, everyone. I'm Shawn, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson for this, but all of the lessons for this whole song are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all mobile devices, your phone, your tablet, or your desktop, whatever, however you want to learn. Fast streaming for everyone. I have thousands and thousands of lessons on there. Many Barry Manilow's lessons are on there now. Done quite a few. I don't know how many. I haven't counted them lately. And I got another one coming up next, so more Barry Manilow if you like that. Okay? So let's get started. I will mention if you are a beginner or you're new to my method, you need a little getting used to it. There are 50 lessons on webpianoteacher.com. Just scroll down the main library list alphabetically to the letter L for lesson. There are 50 lessons there. Get you started, get you rocking and rolling there. So I'm going to start with F in the left hand. I'm going to play an F octave. In the right hand, I'll play C and A, and then E flat and C, then D flat and B flat. So da da da, and then da 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 da. So these are sixths. We use sixth a lot in piano. Just an interval is what that is. So from C to A is a sixth. E flat to C. It's just a melody note and a harmony note is what it really is. Okay? And then the next measure, da 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 da. We'll keep the F in the left hand. The right hand will go D flat, B flat to C and A, to B flat and G to C and A. Now what I'm going to do here, you can use your thumb on all of them, but on the top note, the melody note, you can use 5, 4, 3, 4. Those are the finger numbers, 5, 4, 3, 4. So you have. Going 5, 5 now, so you can go 5, 5, 4, 5. You can do that as well. Whatever works for your hand. The next measure is exactly the same as the first one. And then the orchestra or the other instruments, dun, 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 which is going to be D flat, G flat, B flat. Left hand on a G flat. And then E flat, A flat, C on the right. Left hand A flat. And then C, F, A. Left hand F. Back to the tonic chord. So bum bum bum. Very beginning. And then big. Bum bum bum. All right, lots more to do. As Barry plays a lot of piano in this and a lot of neat chord progressions. He always has very cool chord changes, doesn't he? So. Very neat. Hope you guys enjoyed the part 1, and I'll talk to you later.